Hi, everyone. Thanks for checking back in here at CBS 19 Plus. We've got another hot day setting up for us on Wednesday. We'll have a lot of sunshine, so our UV index is in the extreme category tomorrow, and that means we need to keep reapplying sunscreen as we're out. Here's evidence of that as we take a look at the hour-by-hour forecast. Temperatures into the mid-80s already by 9 a.m. By noon, we're pushing up to 92 degrees, lots of sunshine, but a nice little southerly breeze kicking in at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Then some clouds bubble up Wednesday afternoon, and we have a chance for some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms, mainly over deep East Texas, but some of those could spread as far north as Tyler and or Longview. Those south winds will continue into the evening. So high temperatures tomorrow around Mount Pleasant in Pittsburgh will be just at about 100 degrees. Out to the east, out toward Linden, around 99 degrees. In our central counties, 102 at Longview, 97 at Carthage. Notice this here, the isolated thunderstorm chance. Jacksonville and Henderson could see an isolated thunderstorm. And again, it could sneak up into southern parts of Smith County. Athens, Palestine, Canton, all between 99 and 101 degrees. Over deep East Texas with more cloud cover. High temperature around 97 at Lufkin, 97 at Nacogdoches, 98 at Crockett. Groveton up to 97, Hemp Hill up to 95, and Center around 96. With the heat, with the humidity, we have another heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. tomorrow. That covers all of East Texas. Once again, we are expecting the heat index to climb above 105. In fact, it'll likely be at about 106 to 108. We're going to take a look at that now here in our forecast heat index. So this is Wednesday afternoon, 4 o'clock. Tyler's heat index 106. 107 at Athens, 106 at Palestine. Crockett, it'll feel like 104. Some of these are just outside of the heat advisory criteria. But remember, it just has to go above or hit 105 for just a couple of hours. So this is one specific hour at 4 p.m. Wednesday. So heat advisory all over East Texas. And so because of that, we are cautioning against being outside and really exerting or working too hard. Need to take frequent breaks outside. Thursday, I think we could have another heat advisory in place. Jefferson, Marshall, Gilmer, Tyler, Canton, Athens, Palestine, all above that 105 criteria. In fact, all the way up to Mount Pleasant, 106. Deep East Texas with more cloud cover by Thursday at 5 p.m. The heat index could be around 101 or 102. That's still dangerous. That's still worthy of mentioning and talking about and practicing those heat safety guidelines. All right, the upper airflow. This has been the dominant weather story so far, going all the way back to mid-June. We've been talking about this upper level high pressure system. It moves off to the east and it continues to send us this warm and somewhat humid flow. A little convergence here in the upper Midwest. So through the Missouri River Valley, where showers and thunderstorms are more likely, just ahead of that front. That front will be on the move. The upper level high tries to re-intensify into Thursday, but by Friday, the front gets close enough that we could have a few showers and thunderstorms around, mainly along the Red River and some of our northern counties. Sea breeze showers would also be possible, I think, every day going into the weekend. Then as we get into the weekend, the high pressure system reasserts itself. The front washes out. A second area of high pressure develops out here in the Rockies. This will spread to the east. And so we're going to go back to close to 100 degrees to round out July and start August. So this is the way the final few days of the final weekend of July shape up. 102 tomorrow, 102 Thursday, 100 on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Final weekend of July, upper 90s. First day of August, we're back to 99, and we're right back to up to about 100 degrees each and every day between August 2nd and August 5th. So a hot, dry stretch, not a whole lot of rain to talk about. Hot weather reminders. Remember to hydrate. Hour of outside activity means you're sweating out a water bottle, 16 ounces worth of fluid. So it's important to make sure that you are staying hydrated. Stay in the shade as much as possible. You wear that lightweight, light-colored, loose-fitting clothing. And pets and children never leave in a vehicle for any length of time, especially in this kind of heat. And it's hot and it's dry, and current burn bans now encompass all of East Texas, all of north central Texas, just the counties closest to the Gulf Coast, currently not in burn bans, but they've had more almost daily afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Rain chances in Tyler here over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, a 30% chance. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, just about a 20% chance. And then once we get to Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, the rain chances are probably less than 10%. So here you go with what I'm talking about, that 30% chance of rain. College Station over to Lufkin. We've got scattered showers. These will be on the move. Sea breeze driven showers. All right. So the differential heating between water and land creates these sea breeze showers. They move inland and fall apart as we head towards sunset. They just simply lose the heat energy of the day. Once we get that back again Thursday afternoon, we see more of those bubbling up. In fact, maybe Thursday should be a 30% chance for some rain. And Friday, that frontal boundary here to the north brings in a few showers. So the rain chances up north could provide about 1/10 to 1/4 inch of rainfall from Mount Pleasant to Jefferson over to Shreveport to Gilmer. These are the deep east Texas sea breeze showers. So all told, it only adds up to maybe 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/2 inch in some isolated spots. The frontal boundary stalls in western parts of Kansas, through the Ozarks and into parts of the Ohio River Valley. And that's where you're talking about 2 to 3 to 4 inches of rainfall right here in this strip. St. Louis had some mean flash flooding earlier today or earlier on Tuesday. So we'd have to watch any area in here for the potential for some flash flooding. So if you're traveling to Memphis, if you were traveling to Nashville, if you were traveling up, say, to Pittsburgh, to drive through all that rain, that would be something to just kind of keep in the back of your mind. Something else that we've been watching, colorful sunsets and sunrises here thanks to the Saharan Dust layer. It has dissipated a little bit, but as we look out into the Atlantic, we have two areas. One here just moving into the Eastern Caribbean, and then we have another one, a large plume coming off of the coast of Africa. And this plume here will begin to move across the Atlantic. This is going to suppress any type of tropical development. The winds or the showers and thunderstorms just cannot grow when you've got that dust in the atmosphere sort of breaking up any type of organization. We see a little bit of Saharan dust sneaking back into our atmosphere by Sunday. So Sunday, we'll likely have a very colorful sunrise and sunset. Here's what I mean by the suppression of anything going on in the Gulf. Just really quiet from New Orleans to the central Gulf out into the right around Cuba, here toward Florida, and then we come here into the Eastern Caribbean, and you can see we're just talking about fairly quiet conditions, and that is about it. All right, Baylor Scott White, Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. So 79 tonight, 102 tomorrow. We've got isolated afternoon thunderstorms in the forecast. Thursday, breezy at times. And again, thinking maybe now to add in just a 30% chance for rain. I think we'll see a few isolated showers also, just judging by some of that data that just popped up there on that graphic I showed you. 100 on Friday with a morning low again around 79, and then 97 Saturday, partly cloudy and humid. 98, partly cloudy, still hot Sunday. So even though it's not 100, it's still hot, still somewhat dangerous, even though we won't be into that heat advisory criteria. But now our average daytime high this time of the year is around 96. So 97, 98, 99 is just a couple of degrees above average. Then we're back to 100 to begin August, and it stays at 100 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Overnight lows in the upper 70s. We hope you've enjoyed watching CBS 19 Plus. Keep checking back for updates on your forecast, and have a great evening.